Good morning, everyone.
Welcome back to
we're
Lone
off.
Cowboy Adventures.
I haven't been here since.
Brings back memories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna get on the bike and get going, y'all. We made it. All right, we're at our first stop, and it's a bar and grill called Hard Times. Pretty cool little place. We got outdoor seating. Welcome, bikers. Little town called Iberia. So here we go. right, everybody, we're at the Leprechaun, which is right next to Conscious Customs. And I bought something here at Conscious Customs that you all are going to get a kick out of. But I'm not going to share that right now because it's going to be a surprise. So I will probably have to do something with the audio because of the music in the background on this clip. So, yeah. Well, everyone, we are checked in at our honeymoon suite for the night. Yeah. But we ended up going up to the Harley dealer after the last stop, and I got to see a couple of guys that I haven't seen in probably, I don't know, 45 years, something like that. And it was pretty cool. We didn't visit very long because the crowd and stuff, and yeah, but it was nice seeing them guys again. But we're checked in, and the Badgers said that we actually saw them before we left, and I think a bunch of the guys, whatever part of the group, is going to the flat track races up in Eldon, Missouri. I don't know if we'll make it up there. We might go down here to the strip for a minute and walk through there, and then who knows, maybe we just go get something to eat, come back and relax the rest of the night. I don't know, because we've been up since, well, I've been up since what, 5 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock. Miss Linda is probably up at 4. So yeah, a lot of bikes down here. I talked to an old guy, well, he just left on his bike, and I hope I'm riding at his age. This guy was probably 70, 75 years old, I'm guessing. And his hog chapter came down here, but yeah. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed the ride with the Badgers. Supportbikers.com. Check that out. And kind of reminds me of Sturgis, but yeah, lots of bikes down here. We'll see you on the next one, maybe, or if we end up going somewhere else, I'll shoot a couple links, put at the very end here. So say hi to a stranger.